welcome back to the C-Co Physics Show. I'm your host, Cameron, the Science Man Co. And as it's widely known, I am a black belt and martial arts expert. But why is this information important, you ask? Allow me to explain. Recently, I was posed a question asking how to throw a good punch. It's actually a very good question. The answer lies directly in physics. As explained on Stack.com's article, Punching Power, to throw a good punch, you really need to understand the formula force equals mass times acceleration. Using techniques that maximize this formula will allow you to throw the strongest knockout punch possible. First, let's look at the mass part of the formula. When punching, it's very important to turn your hips and put your whole body into the punch. For example, watch me punch the pad without using this technique. It's a very weak punch. You will never, ever knock someone out with that. Punching like that does not utilize physics to your advantage. Now, watch how much stronger the punch is when I turn my hips and put my full body into the punch. As you can see, that was much stronger when you put your full body into the punch. You're increasing the mass used in the punch as well. This results in greater force. Now, let's examine the acceleration part of the formula. Before, I mentioned that turning your hips is important so you can utilize all of your mass. It's also important for acceleration. Turning your hips helps you increase the speed of your punch, resulting in much greater force. Another technique for greater acceleration, as mentioned on Stack.com, is muscle relaxation. Tensed muscles are slow, so you should keep your muscles relaxed until you go into the punch. When fighting, I don't keep my hands and fists until right before I punch. This keeps my muscles relaxed and allows me to achieve greater acceleration. Watch. As mentioned in an article by Penn State University, punching is all about turning your body's potential energy into kinetic energy that is used for a strong knockout punch. If you utilize these techniques, you'll be able to maximize physics and use physics to your own advantage to have a great punch. Someday, you may even be able to be a black belt like me.